Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if your little one loves to play, you're definitely going to want to check out this toy from Playcasually. It is so adorable. I love the colors on it, and there's so much that you can do with it. This toy is the perfect size for travel or for just taking on the go, like if you're going to a doctor's appointment or just a long car ride. This toy is great for taking in the car or in your bag. It will keep your little one busy if you need them to just sit quietly for a while. It teaches them some nice skills like how to use a key and a plug, which is a little more advanced. My son is 12 months old and he hasn't quite figured that part out yet, but he does love playing with this toy. So if you're looking for a toy to keep your little one entertained while in the car or on the go, you're definitely going to want to check out this little toy from Playcasually. Your little one is going to love it, and it's going to keep them busy and entertained while you get things done. And that's my point of view.